everyone, I hope you guys are all doing great and made some money. So today I'm gonna talk about some of my picks and how they performed last week and talk about some of the upcoming opportunities in the market right now. So let's get started. So the first company that I'm going to talk about is ticker symbol CFII. That's a company that I talk about in my second video. So if you haven't watched it yet, make sure you go watch it. CFII is going to merge with another company called View. Right now, I'm up around 18% since I alerted in my Discord, and I'm planning to hold this one closer to merger date because I believe, as I talked about in my video, that it has a huge potential to run up. Next, I'm going to talk about another company, ticker symbol VGAC. That's the company that I talk about in my third video. Make sure you go and watch it. So I bought this company on my different accounts and I have different performances. In one of my accounts, I'm up around 8% since I alerted in my Discord. In my other account, I also bought the warrants for the exact same company and I'm up around 24%. And in my last account, again, I bought the warrants and I'm up around 17%. Again, I'm waiting and I'm gonna hold this one until we get an announcement, and depends on what is the jump. If we got a huge jump, I'm probably gonna sell it and then buy back at a dip, or maybe ride it up till the merger. The third company that I'm going to talk about is ticker symbol IPOF. That's a company that I talked about in my third video. So if you haven't watched already, make sure you go and watch it. So for those of you that were in my Discord for a little bit longer, you know that I bought this company at a dip and sold it at a jump that we had when we got an announcement for IPOE. I made around 35% profit and I bought back at a dip, and right now I'm up around 5% on my investment. Again, I'm waiting for the announcement for this company and I believe we're gonna get a huge jump by then. And again, we see what the jump gonna look like. If we get a massive jump, I might as well take my profit, or thinking about it till if I want to hold till the merger. The next company that I'm going to talk about is another SPAC, but unlike other SPAC that I talk about, it's not an EV play, nor it's a solar or any clean energy play. It's a different company for those of you like me who wants to diversify your account. This company called Bark and is now trading under ticker symbol STIC, and after the merger is done, it's going to be trading under ticker symbol BARK. Bark is a leading company and leading brand for dogs, and their mission statement is to make all the dogs happy. So by looking at our intro, you should know that I'm gonna support them till the end. Let's talk about dogs market trend. Dogs market trend is expected to grow by 5% from 2019 to 2025 each year. By 2021, it is expected to reach a 100 billion market. So it's a huge market for Bark to dominate, and they are the leading company in this market. As I said, Bark is in the leading position to be the global brand for dogs. They currently have a 1.1 million active subscriber and 8.5 million social media followers. So they are very, very popular. Since everything is done through their website, they have a high margin. Their fiscal year comes to end in March 2021. And they expect to report around 370 million in profit with a gross margin of 60%. That's a high gross margin, and they can even improve it later on as they increase the number of their subscriber. When you look at their management team, you can see their CEO used to be the director of Amazon Global, and their CFO used to work for Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan. So their management team is not very experienced in dog industry, but they're definitely experienced in e-commerce industry. And in terms of distribution, their products are currently in 23,000 retail stores like Costco, Target, Petco, and PetSmart. The other thing that I want to talk about this company is that during this pandemic and after being locked down for a long time, a lot of people started getting pets because they didn't want to be at home alone. So that increased the number of pet owners and is directly benefiting Bark's business. I want to show you guys a similar company to Bark. This company called Chewy. As you can see, in the past 6 months, their share price raised from $49 to $110, which is over 100%. So there is a massive potential in this market and for bark. The other opportunity that I want to talk about is another company, which is another merger that is trading under ticker symbol PDAC. The company doesn't have a target merger yet, but is planning to bring another clean and green energy into the market. As you know, one thing that Biden loves is
renewable energy, renewable energy, renewable energy. Will you shut up, man? Listen.
So as you can see, Jonathan Silver, he's the director of this company since October 2020. Mr. Silver is one of the nation's leading clean economy investor and advisor. He's the top 10 green tech influencer. This is the important part. From 2009 to 2011, Mr. Silver served as executive director of the Loan Program Office during President Obama's administration when Biden was the vice president. So basically, Biden is backing up this SPAC as well. He was leading the government's $40 billion clean energy investment fund and $20 billion advanced automotive technology. He's also serving on the board of Plug Power Company that is trading under ticker symbol PLUG right now. And if you don't know the company, this company had a massive run during past month. And if you missed that run, this is your opportunity to invest in this company right now, because I believe it's gonna have a similar run. Thanks for watching till the end. I also have a Discord where I send live signals, when to buy, when to sell. I also answer any questions that you guys might have. I leave the link in the description. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. Let's trade smart and make some money. Until the next time.